something we eat could really help grow your hair? I'm talking about rice water. Like, did you know that rice water works wonders for not only your balding or your hair loss, but actually fortifying the hair and regrowing the hair? I am going to show you in this video how I am going to use rice water to help moisturize my hair, to fortify my hair, so that I can maintain this protective style. Why not use this quarantine time at home to focus on ourselves and focus on our inner wellness? That's exactly what I'm doing. What I'm going to do in this video is show you how I'm moisturizing my protective style during quarantine to help me achieve more growth than I saw last year. Hey everybody, it's Army Princess here, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you all who are watching me for the very first time, I am Army Princess, a U.S. Army soldier. I've been in the military for over 10 years now, and I love to share my experiences with you all to help you all become the best soldiers you can be. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Pretty much, just go ahead and subscribe right now. I usually drop military related content every single Monday, but on Fridays I dibble and dabble into other things. I do get ready with me, I do vlogs, I do clean with me. Today we're gonna talk about hair. I have been on a journey to grow my hair in 2020. I've been on a hair growth journey for a long time now, and last year I had a baby. For those of you all who are watching me for the very first time, and my hair was so luscious, it was so pretty. And then 6 months after I gave birth and stopped nursing and breastfeeding and pumping, my hair fell out. Pretty much, like my edges gone. My hair, it just fell out. I kind of got discouraged, which I know I shouldn't, but now it's 2020 and Rona is here, and I feel like this is the perfect time to do protective styles to help grow my hair. So I'm coming to y'all with a protective style. This is the mini braids. I've had these mini braids up for a little over a week, but it's time for me to go ahead and moisturize my braids. So I'm going to show you how I moisturize my braids using rice water and oil. So I've been paying attention to my analytics, and my analytics have been going crazy, y'all, lately. But today, I'm going to show you how I use the rice water to moisturize my hair, to refresh it and keep it fresh, and what it's doing to actually help regrow the hair that I lost after I had my baby. All right, guys. So I have my 2 braids taken down. My hair is filled with mini braids, and these mini braids are a bit crunchy and dry, and this is relaxed hair. So I am relaxed, but right now with Rona just taking over and hijacking everything, of course I'm not able to go to the beauty salon. So instead of me self-relaxing and jacking up my hair, I decided to protective style my hair. So I have been seeing a lot of mini braids on YouTube. I don't know if it was like a thing last year, because a lot of the videos are about a year old, but I only saw one video of somebody with the mini braids with the relaxed hair, and I know it's hard to achieve because we don't have the twisty curly ends like the people with the natural hair, but I was still able to achieve it by braiding it very small and braiding it all the way down to the end. And I've had these mini braids in for over a week. It has allowed me to just keep my hair in a protective style. I think I'm going to try to keep this up for 3 weeks. So if you all want me to do a update on when I take them down and what happened in the next 3 weeks, then definitely let me know below. So this is what I do to moisturize them. I have rice water here. This is not S-Curl. This is rice water. I have my break-free moisturizer cream. I have oils in this dropper. So what I do is I take it and I spray all over to moisturize the roots, because the roots I feel like are the most dry. And I like this bottle because I like the way it sprays. I'm actually going to get a mister on Amazon, and I will have links provided below for the products that I use, so definitely check out my links below. But I literally just spray it all over. This helps to just evenly distribute it all over, and it all over. I get the edges because I don't want my edges to be dry. I want everything to be moisturized, and it just feels so good because it's cool. Essentially what I'm doing is the LOC method, the liquid, oil, and cream. I'm gonna take my oil here. This is just a mixture of like vitamin E oil, hot 6 oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, and mint, essential oil mint. I drop it in here. I just use this this bottle because I kept it on it in all of the parts. This just feels so good, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Ooh, my scalp was dry, especially from working out. My scalp was dry, but I really like this style. I think this could be a great protective style even for somebody in basic training, because not everybody can do a cornrow, but you definitely, most people can plait their own hair. So plaiting your own hair very small, braiding it back like you see me with it braided, or even if it's long enough, putting it back in a ponytail. You don't have to worry about it. Basic training is 10 weeks, so that's 2.5 months. You could definitely keep this style up for 10 weeks. And in your personal time at nighttime, all you got to do, if the front starts to get old, just rebraid the front, or you can have a friend help you in your personal time in the evening and rebraid your hair. But this is definitely a possible protective style for basic training. For all of my basic training people who watch me, try out the mini braids. So I'm just putting the oil all over. I go through it with my hands and just like massage my scalp basically. This also helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp and helps stimulate growth. It helps to rub in all of the products, so it's not just sitting there or running down your face or gonna be on your pillow on your couch when you lay down. The mint really helps the tingling on my scalp, and I make sure I put this in the front area where I'm trying to regrow them edges, because my edges left me, y'all. They left me, they gone, and I don't know where they at. Now I like this crinkly look, but it's already stretched out because of the product that I'm putting on there. My last thing is Perfective Mega Growth, and this is how much I have left, just a little bit. I love this because this is helps to fortify your hair. It has protein in it. But I take a little bit like this, and I'm just going to rub it through just to add a little extra moisture to the braids, to the strands. Just rub it through. So you can definitely leave it like this, but I don't want to be looking like Coolio. I feel like I look like Coolio like this. Or I think I might put it up in a ponytail, like put the top part up in a ponytail. But I could do a little top bun. And y'all, like I said, my hair is a week old. These braids are a week old, and I have not had a relaxer in about 2 months. So I'm about due, but I just want to hold out a little bit longer. So I got this little top bun thing going on here with the back down, and I'm gonna be at home for the next 7 days. So with me being at home, I can keep this, you know, I'll have this hanging down usually during the day when I'm at work. I try to put it up because I don't want the ends to rub, but I think it's a little cute little protective style just to be chilling around at the house. And that's pretty much it. This is how I moisturize my hair for protective style during Corona. All right, guys, I need y'all to do me a favor. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you want to see when I take it down or how long I leave it up. What is your impression of rice water? Y'all seem to like my rice water video. Like I said, definitely check it out. I'm trying to incorporate it a little bit more in my daily routine, and I want to know what you all think. So this is it, guys. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go now.